Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Let me tell you a hard truth. Most people are not poor because they lack money. They are poor because they lack clarity. They don't know what to focus on, what to ignore, what to stop, what to build, and money avoids confusion. Today, I introduce a brand new framework. Fire the financial clarity dominance. This explains why wealth flows toward clear decision makers and avoids the undecided. Medium White Star Section 1. What is financial clarity? Financial clarity is the ability to know exactly where your money goes, know exactly why you earn, know exactly what you are building, know exactly what to say. No to clarity creates direction. Direction attracts money. Medium White Star Section 2. WHY Confusion kills wealth. Confused people crossmark chase many opportunities, crossmark switch strategies, constantly crossmark copy without conviction, crossmark panic under pressure, crossmark make emotional decisions. Money needs leadership. Confusion provides none. Medium White Star Section 3. The financial clarity dominance model. Financial clarity dominance has 3 control layers. Layer 1. Focus clarity, 1 primary income direction, 1 growth strategy, 1 priority goal. Scattered focus scatters income. Layer 2. Decision clarity, rules for spending, rules for saving, rules for investing, clear rules, remove hesitation. Layer 3. Identity clarity, who you are becoming financially, what lifestyle fits that future, what habits no longer belong. Money stays where identity is stable. Medium White Star Section 4. How to build financial clarity dominance. Keycap 1. Write your single financial mission. Keycap 2. Eliminate non-essential expenses. Keycap 3. Choose 1 income expansion path. Keycap 4. Automate routine decisions. Keycap 5. Review clarity. Weekly clarity compounds faster than hustle. Medium White Star Section 5. Signs clarity is taking over. White heavy checkmark, fewer financial mistakes. White heavy checkmark, faster decisions. White heavy checkmark, reduce stress. White heavy checkmark, stable progress. White heavy checkmark, predictable growth. Bullseye. Conclusion: money does not chase effort. Fire it follows clarity. Build financial clarity dominance and money will stop avoiding you.